In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a pivot table from text file in Excel. Normally, pivot table is created based on the data in an existing worksheet. However, do you know how to create a pivot table from a text file in Excel? You can import the text file data into the worksheet firstly, and then create pivot table with the imported data. Click the Data tab. In the Get and Transform Data group, click from text or CSV. In the Import Data dialog box, select the text file you will create pivot table based on and click the Import button. In the pop-up dialog, select your delimiter type. I will select tab. Then click the Load drop-down list and select Load to option. In the Import Data dialog box, select how you want to view this data in your workbook. If you want to directly import it to pivot table, you can check this option, or if you want to put this data into your worksheet first, check this option and select your cell. Press enter and click the OK button. Then the pivot table fields pan displays on the right side of the worksheet, and after choosing the fields to add to the report, you can see that the pivot table is created. And if you want to insert the data table also, again you can click the from text or CSV, select your file, click import, click load to, and if you want to import the table, check the first option, table, in the existing worksheet and select your table range. I will select B10, press enter, click OK. As you can see, the data table is also inserted. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.